Hello everyone. Uh, Today I am going to teach you how I am going to teach you about October CMS of Laravel. In this lecture, you will learn about how to download October CMS using Composer command. As you see here, I am writing here Composer create project October. Basically, see here, I am pasting command Composer create project October back forward slash October. The name of project is October Learn, and I enter. First thing, you start this downloading or installing of October CMS. You create database. Then after successful installation, you run the command. Now in my scenario, I run the composer create command and enter it, and now installation is a start of October CMS, and I'm going to making or creating a database. I have already installed XAMPP. If you have a MEMP, you go to MEMP PHP my admin and create a new database. Here in my scenario, I'm using HDSQL. It is also bind with PHP my admin, and I am going to create a new database. I click on localhost and create new, enter on it, create new. I mean click on it, create new, and click on database. My database name is October Learn, and enter on it. After enter successfully, my database is created with name of October Learn. Then I am going toward where I come from. Here is the downloading is on the way. After successful downloading, I will run the command php artisan october install. But before run the command, I will go in the October Learn project, and I will go October student project in my HEDoc folder and copy the environment file and paste the environment file on October Learn project in October Learn project. After successful copy and pasting of environment file, I open before I open, I check the project is downloaded or not. He is on the way. After successful installation, I will easily run the php artisan october install command for completion of installation of October CMS. Please wait for a while. After successful downloading, you will see the you will see the directory like this. My downloading is on the way. Installation of files is taking a time. I don't want to miss any of the action which in which I am performing to making a video. That's why I wait here for downloading or installing a library files of October CMS. Oh, the downloading is in the end. Currently updating dependency, loading composer files, repositories, generating auto load files, and now we are near to complete the downloading of October CMS. I am going to setting. I am going to setting October Learn project. I open it on Sublime Text Editor. Open folder of my October Learn project. Select folder and press Ctrl P to open the env file and change the name of database October and write October Learn Learn. October Learn, the name of the database I was created few minutes ago. October Learn. I set it here. After successful setting, I am closing after successful setting of database. I am closing this window and going in the folder where I installed the October Learn or October CMS project. And in the folder of October Learn, htdoc October Learn, I right click on this and press click on git bash here and write command of php artisan October install. Here you can see easily October CMS installation process. Here is the four database type. I am going to select my 0 MySQL and enter and type 0 and enter. My MySQL host is localhost. I am writing localhost and enter. MySQL port 3306. I am writing 3306 and enter. My he asked me about database name. My database name is October Learn. I am writing October Learn. MySQL login. I am writing MySQL login is root and enter. Here in my case password no password. So I entered. I write my first name is admin and last name is admin and the email address is I am writing email address admin@admin.com and enter. My login username is admin and my password is admin. I'm writing admin and enter. Is this information correct? Yes, and enter. Application URL localhost. Yes. Configure advanced option. No. So now my installation is completed and October CMS is working on migrating application plugin tables and much more things. After migration of these tables, I will see you the database which October CMS created on my October Learn database. The installation of October CMS is completed. So I will show you the database of October Learn, and I right click on it and refresh, press refresh button, and you can easily show the all database tables. I am clicking on backend users data. Here is you can see easily login admin, password admin in hash form, and I will see you the view of October Learn. I write here October LEAR and learn localhost / October Learn backend / CMS and enter. After enter, he will it will show you a login screen of October CMS, and I write here admin and password is my password is admin and enter on it. After enter, he will show you a CMS screen of October CMS. This is the installation and downloading process of October CMS. Thank you for watching video. Goodbye.